So my name is Michelle Shaw. I am a DJ tutor. You don't have to be a mixing technical genius or producer to go and get paid to DJ.
Now, if tutorials are your thing, that's great, but I don't think you're going to find them here. But what I can do is work with you on a one-to-one basis where you get a more personalised service. I'm here to help you, and I want to see you succeed. I would absolutely love to see you get to that level that you've just always wanted to get to. So your dreams, your aspirations, all the things you've ever thought about, all the things you've ever wanted to do, that next stage, that next step, what does it look like for you? What is it that you are trying to achieve? What's working for you? What's not? Helping DJs just like you get to that next level. I can't wait to hear from you. I can't wait to find out what's going on for you so that I can help you get there. Thank you ever so much for all your likes, for your comments. Thank you very much. See you soon.